TikTok live option not showing even after having 1K followers. So we'll open our TikTok app, then we can go on camera there, and no options there for the live, and then we can take a screenshot and go to settings and privacy. Then we'll scroll down and we can simply click on report a problem. After clicking on report a problem, we will click there in live, and as there we can see a lot of options, and we'll simply click on we are not able to host live, which is in the first place in that option. And here, after clicking on it, we can see that in hosting live, what are we unable to do. So I will click on here how to start a live, or my live is not working. So we'll click on it, and here we can see that they have given a tutorial how we can make our live start to work. And if even this doesn't help, then what we can do is we will click on no, and after clicking on no, we will now get to see that we can like report, and like we can write what our problem is. Here I am writing my TikTok is live is now working. So after that, we can even add pictures of our profile, and here I have added a picture, and that is how we can fix TikTok live option not showing even after having 1K followers.